some glue here.
Thanks, Billy.
Ooh, this kite is gonna be so awesome!
It's finished.
Yay!
It looks amazing.
It's the greatest kite I've ever seen, Paula.
Are you sure we shouldn't have built it, bigger?
I think it's fine, Tim.
Okay then, let's go fly it!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Yay! Woo! The supercomputer was right. This is gonna be perfect.
Yeah. Want to hold a line, Tim?
Yeah!
Billy, you can take the kite.
Okay.
And... Okay, Billy, let it go.
Yay!
Yeah! Woohoo! Oh,
Yeah!
I thought that would have worked.
Maybe it needs a running start? Yeah! Woohoo!
Faster, faster!
Slower, slower. Go, Paula, go.
You can do it!
Throw it, Tim.
Maybe we need to make some changes to the kite.
Bigger is better. I did say that the kite was too small.
But I like this little kite.
Maybe if it was a different shape, like a triangle.
What if we added a tail?
Huh?
Because I also have a tail.
Nah, it just needs to be bigger.
With a tail.
Triangle shaped. Why don't we all build our own kite then and see which one can fly?
Okay,
I guess so.
mine's gonna be big enough to catch all the wind.
You can try, but my triangle kite is gonna fly the best. Right, Billy?
I love my new tail.
Be careful with my kite.
We're trying, Tim.
It's just too big.
The bigger, the better. Yeah! Woo! See? It's catching the wind.
Wow!
Whoa! Okay, maybe it was a little too big.
My kite looks great, right, Tim?
It's okay. Let's just see if it can fly.
Nice steering, Paula.
Thanks. I think I'm getting the hang of it.
Run fast, Paula, but not too fast.
You got it, Billy.
You go, Billy.
Uh-oh, it's too windy. Aw,
It's okay, Billy. Your tail was a good idea.
but it didn't work.
But it almost worked, and so did your big kite, Tim.
Yeah, but your triangle kite steered the best, Paula.
You know, all our ideas almost worked. What if we combined them and build another kite together? Sometimes it's hard doing a lot of things all by yourself. You'll get tired quickly. But when we work together, it's a lot easier, and things get done faster too. And can you imagine trying to play a game all alone? It's more fun with friends. And there's a reason why most sports are played in teams. Because it's teamwork that makes the dream work.
You're right, Billy. Now let's make the perfect kite together. Now that's what I call a kite.
Let's get this in the air.
It's not working!
Keep going. Oh, no.
Not this time.
You did it, Billy.
No, we did it. Together.
That's right, Billy.
Yay!
Yay! Yeah!
Ducks say quack, quack, quack. Chickens say...
Huh?
I meant to say
You've got hiccups, Billy.
You know, some say hiccups are a monster in your tummy trying to get out.
a monster.
Well, I've had hiccups before, and the best way to get rid of them is to scare them away. That didn't work. Maybe you weren't scared enough.
Are there any other ways to get rid of them?
Let's find out, Billy. To the supercomputer. How to get rid of hiccups. So the first is scaring the hiccups away.
Told you so.
But it didn't work. What's next?
Up next is eating and drinking sour things.
Like pickles.
And did it work?
Maybe.
Whoa!
Billy! Tim, stop scaring Billy.
But the sour stuff didn't work, so I thought I'd try again. Well, did it work? Why doesn't it work?
Next is drinking cold water.
Careful, Billy. That water is so cold.
Thanks, Paula.
Billy? Are you okay?
Uh-oh. He's not just got brain freeze. He's got whole body freeze. I know.
Hey, my cap. That was cold.
And it didn't work.
What else can we try?
Billy, there's a giant spider on your back!
Twitchy tails, get it off me!
Sorry, Billy. That was me again.
Tim, no more scaring Billy. It's clearly not working. You're just gonna have to wait it out, Billy.
I don't want hiccups anymore. They're making me sad.
Poor Billy. I think a big scare is the only way now.
Huh? What's going on?
Guess who? The hiccup monster! Woo!
Twitchy tails!
Woo!
Yikes! Ghosts! Spiders! Please go away! Please, please, please!
Tim.
If you can't get me out of your tummy, I'll stay in there forever.
Help! Let me out! Let me out!
Stop scaring him, Tim. He doesn't like it.
I'm trying to help Billy.
But are you really helping? We all take things too far sometimes. We get carried away without realizing it, and we make our friends sad. Think of it like juice. Juice is super yummy. We all know that. But if you keep pouring and pouring, you're going to spill it all and make a sticky mess. You've got to know when to stop. That's the only way everyone can be happy.
I'm sorry, Billy. I took the scaring too far. The hiccup monster doesn't really exist.
That's okay, Tim. I know you were only trying to help. I'm just worried the hiccups will never go.
Billy, your hiccups, they're gone.
Yeah!
Look at that. I got rid of my hiccups by waiting, Paula.
That's right, Billy.
Yeah, that's... Huh? I thought it was the scaring that got rid of it. Uh-oh.
Thought you could get rid of me? The hiccup monster is back!
Whoa!
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us for more fun next time.